bright eyes are spinning in the dark. A secret wish that none will know, she keeps it locked up in her pale heart. Wait for it, it's tired and it's true. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. She dreams in blue. She dreams in blue. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. The background hum of city streets and whispers from the neighbors intertwine. The distant glow of beacon lights breaking through the cracks between the blinds. Wait for it, it's hiding out of view. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. She dreams in blue. She dreams in blue. Wait for it, it's all she ever knew. Opens up her weary eyes, the foggy cloud of vision fills the air. She strains to make some sense of all the abstract shapes and colors everywhere. But all the blue just fades away, dissolving in a haze of gray, and lost inside her empty mind.
Is it worth it when you're down and feeling deserted? Simple kind of feelings, they mean nothing when everything is fleeting. And all the things we think matter, they're disguised by all the world's chatter. And if you think you'd like to, I won't mind if you say no if you're inclined to. A compass with no turning point, a map with no sense of direction, GPS that somehow lost its voice, float around in midair, no suspension. I am trying to find my way, but I can't tell darkness from day. Nervous, feeling worthless, it feels heavy on your keep me closer. All these things I wanna say, they don't sound kosher. A compass with no turning point, a map with no sense of direction, GPS that somehow lost its voice, float around in midair, no suspension. I'm trying to find my way, but I can't tell darkness from day. Dismiss the moments you miss for blessings, resist temptation to bring back what's taken, versus forsaken. Again the rotation begins. A compass with no turning point, a map with no sense of direction.
I would love to be your stars, your moon, your sun. I would love to be that one. I'd love to be the one to make you laugh. I'd love to be the one who'd always say that I love you back. I would always be the one who cares, and I will try my very best to always be there. And the stars and moon and sun would all align, and for a million years and more I'd make you mine. 'Cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a golden frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art. I could sit and listen to you talk, ignore the time and throw away the clock. I'd love to hear each thought upon your mind. I'd love to hang them close to every word that I could find. 'Cause all the shades of blue go away when I'm with you. Put a golden frame around my heart, 'cause you make me feel like a piece of art. You like to run free, but I'll still make